Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tracy Ann, your colorist, and my hope is to let you fall in love with the magic of colors. Let's begin. Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing awesome. I have a new coloring book that I found. It was actually on sale. Yes, and it's the Mythographic Paradise by Fabiana, and I really love these books. So whenever I see them going on sale, I will not pass it. Even if it's the last dollar, I will spend it on the book. So I do hope you enjoy the flip through. And of course, it's just for you to have a view to see if you like the pictures and what picture you would like to color, if you would like to get the book, which I totally encourage you to do. Because if I'm going to color in it, you're going to want to do a color along with me. I guarantee you. I'm just kidding. Just saying, if you would like to color along, it's nice to have the book. And it's just an awesome book all by itself. If you're an aspiring artist, these books will definitely pique your interest and give you more than enough inspiration to go ahead and create some beautiful images yourself. All right, so I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that bell, help me grow this channel. And if you don't know who I am, I'm your local colorist, Tracy Ann, and I just want to let you fall right in love with colors. There is nothing that color can't change. If you're in a bad mood, color changes that. You know what? So just let's color together. All right, my inspiration for you for this week is to go ahead and take life and time one day at a time. It does not make any sense that you procrastinate or worry about tomorrow. Procrastinating in the sense that you are always making to-do lists and never doing anything, and worrying about it means you can't solve an issue with worrying. So it does not make any sense to do either. It is easier said than done. Yes, I know. But the main point is, don't stress yourself out over things that you cannot change. But what you should do is start working on the things that you desire to do, and that will make a change and impact others, if that makes sense. All right, so thank you so much. See you in my next coloring tutorial, and I hope you have an awesome week. Take care.